Welcome to our travel tips series. Today we're discussing why checked luggage might be better than only cabin luggage. If you're not a minimalist by nature, there's no need to change who you are when you travel. Here are 5 reasons to embrace checked luggage and enjoy your trip fully. Reason number 1. Embrace your true self. If you love having choices at home, clothes, accessories or shoes, don't limit yourself on vacation. Checked luggage lets you bring everything you need to feel comfortable and confident. And yes, we still like organising your checked luggage, such as packing your clothes into compression cubes to bring even more stuff. This gives you choices and allows you to relax when unpacking and repacking. Reason number 2, less hassle at security. By checking your luggage, you can breeze through the checkpoints without the stress of managing multiple bags. Checked luggage allows you to carry more items without worrying about the liquid restrictions or the size of your carry-on. This makes the entire security process smoother and more efficient. Reason number 3, comfort during the flight. Without a bulky carry-on, boarding the plane becomes easier. You can settle into your seat with minimal fuss, enjoy more legroom, and keep your personal items close at hand. Airlines are getting stricter with weight allowances. Take the stress away and embrace the fact you can carry less on board. Reason number 4, convenience upon arrival. You don't have to worry about dragging all of your heavy bags through the airport when you check your luggage. Pick up your suitcase at the baggage claim and start your adventure hassle-free. After all, it usually doesn't take long to pick up the luggage. And it is great to watch all the other people and smile as you can start planning what fun to have later in the day on your adventure. Reason number 5. Enjoy a home away from home. And with checked luggage, you can bring more of what you love. Unpack and organise your room just how you like it, making your stay more comfortable and enjoyable. An extra benefit is you can collect more of your souvenirs along the way for friends, family, and especially yourself. Travel is about experiences and creating memories. Don't let the stress of minimalism take away from your joy. Pack what makes you happy and embrace your authentic self. It's your vacation. Enjoy it your way. Even downtime should be comfortable. Bring extra items like your favourite book along if you enjoy winding down with your favourite TV shows or reading a book. Creating a relaxing environment wherever you go ensures a more enjoyable trip. So, pack what you love and enjoy every moment of your trip. Be true to yourself and follow your own style. Feel better about yourself by embracing your preferences, being smart and having fun. Happy travels. Remember, the key to a great vacation is being authentic and relaxed. So pack up and let the adventure begin.